everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have here on the lot. Just gonna take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now this Laredo does come equipped with some great features. Coming around towards the back here, you can see you do have your rear park sense, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Of course, your backup camera equipped there, power lift gate. You can see a little bit of cargo space in that back cargo area for you to store your gear bags out of the way while on the go. Even with that third row up, you can fold down that third row as well if you're looking for a little bit more room when those seats aren't needed. Again, just your power lift gate option. So just check out some of the features inside. So as I mentioned, this Grand Cherokee does come with your third row. So you can see in the second row, you do have your bucket seat. So in total, you can get up to 6 passengers in the unit. In that second row area, you do have your USB port hookups, climate control, and you can see in that third row, you can get 2 passengers back there as well. Up top, you do have your sunroof equipped on there. And checking out some of the features up front here, touchscreen display area, so very user-friendly interface with that Uconnect system equipped there. So of course, access to all of your audio, media controls. Climate control options also accessible in through your touchscreen. You do have dual climate control, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. Again, your Bluetooth capabilities, and access to some of the apps and settings in through there as well. Just below your screen, you do again have access to all your basic audio, media controls, climate control options down in through there as well. Wireless charger, USB port hookups, key fob for the Jeep right here, so you do have your push button start in behind. Remote start is included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post purchase. Steering wheel mount controls, cruise control options in on that right hand side. Adaptive cruise control is equipped. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side. Audio media controls in behind. Of course, all of your power windows, locks, side mirrors. So that's just a quick look at this 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. If you have additional questions about this unit, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.